No, let's go get your 7-iron, buddy.
Why?
God, you almost made the green there. Wow, what a shot. Thank you. Run up.
Come on, run with me.
Go with Dad. I'm driving. Hurry up. Quick, go.
That was a pretty far shot, buddy. That was a good shot. Alright, let's get this one close. Well, here you go.
Why doesn't this one have a sand one?
I don't know.
Let's hope it goes on.
Okay, one more, buddy.
Goes on again.
Stick it close.